Hello and welcome to episode 2 of Rain World. We're going to go ahead and get right back into it and continue where we left off. I don't remember exactly what we were doing, but let's get right back into it. Okay, get used to these controls again. Alright, so we died 2 times last episode, so we need to stop that. I kind of have an idea of what we're doing now, so let's get up here like before. Now I wonder, did it save the map that we had filled out? Oh. I don't care about your fucking rock, Mr. I know you're trying to help, but you're not helping. Wait, so we need to get up. We need to go find some food. Actually, can we get up there? No, I don't think so. I have to continue along this way. Oh shit. Quickly, quickly. Oh, he was just here, it looked like. Let's go up. This way. Okay, he's there. I ain't messing with him though. Is he running? Where's he going? Let's chase him. Get out of here, bitch. Alright, let's keep... Oh, fuck, I forgot about this guy. Up, 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 up. Where's he going? Oh, his friend's over here. I gotta get up to that door. Okay, cool. They're not too smart, at least. Oh, another one. Jesus. Quickly. Alright. I need some food. I'm hitting the wrong button. There we go. Man. Let's see if we can make this jump. Nope. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ooh, hardcore parkour with that wall run. Now... we gotta... yeah, there we go. Let's get past him real quick. Keep going. We still need to also find... can I get to grab that? No, I can't. Let's just keep moving this way. Got him. Keep trying to hold control to do this. I don't think... it doesn't look like we could make progress. Oh, stop it. We might have to... like, how did I get up there? Whatever, let's just pop back out. Okay, go the other way. These guys are just having a little good old time. Keep moving, keep moving. Up this way. And we'll head back, I guess. We're full. I just want to get all the food I can manage. Can I go down this way? No, I don't think I can. Before we go and hibernate. Now, I don't remember where we died last time on the map. So, we're going to have to... we'll figure it out over time. Can I get up this way? Oh, I can. Cool. Let's go this way. Now, strange energy. Do I eat it? Whoa. Huh. Wonder what that did. Maybe we have a new brand spanking new power. We're gonna become only the strongest. Oh shit, what was that? Now it wants me to go up here, but how do I do that? Is there a way to charge a jump? You could charge a side jump, but how do you charge an up jump? Is that even possible? Alright, well, it's telling me to go that way, but I can't. There's gotta be something I'm doing wrong there. Let's go this way. Oh, there he goes. That was inevitable. Alright, let's see if we can grab a bug or two here. Come here. Keep trying to hold control to do that. We need one more. Then we'll go continue exploring. Oh, they... Ooh. No. There we go. Oh, he flew right into my hands. Thanks, dude. Decided to sacrifice himself for the greater good. Let's go through here. Now, I remember being this way last time and I screwed it up somehow. So let's not do that this time. Just keep going. Yeah, this is when it started to rain. Let's keep moving. Full speed. Yeah, okay, cool. Now, let's go down this way instead. Now, I think I got stuck last time I went this way, didn't I? No, I don't. Stop it. Okay, well, guess we're going that way. That was useless. I want to go down here. There we go. I think this took me to that locked door last time. Oh no, I remember. Okay. Oh, I forgot about this thing. No, get back it. Are you serious? No, see, I thought for some reason that it didn't spawn because it just didn't look like it that time. But I guess that's the point of it. Damn it. Gotta restart all that now. Let's go back up. I remember where to go this time, so that's good. Full speed ahead. Alright, come on. We're on a time frame here. Scoot yourself down there. Let's go up. And get back to where we were before. Or no, get out of here. Bitch. Alright, now I went this way, if I remember correctly. Gonna try and get him. Kill two birds with one stone. Oh man. Hardcore parkour. Coming for you, Mr. Fly. I saw you trying to get out of there. So I still have that thing I ate before, that upgrade. So it does save your upgrades. Starting to get a handle of these controls. So I understand what I'm doing a bit better. Did I not finish eating him? No, I didn't. Come on. Be nice to me. Alright. I need one more and I'll be good to go. Oh, ooh. You've volunteered. Thank you. Good fly. Just like last time. Again, good. Thank goodness there's no fall damage. Alright, keep going. Now, let's not die by that thing like we did last time, like an idiot. Keep moving. Keep moving. We got a mission this time, and that's to make progress. Let's go up this way. It's telling us to go up. So let's... I think I could grab this. There we go. Up we go. Oh, no, missed that. Go back in this way. Trying to grab on anything that might be there. Nope, there's nothing there. Oh, hello. Let's go through this one. Okay, cool. I don't remember it being that hard to get up last time. Now, I think this one leads me to a different area. It does. Now, where is this? This is ominous. I don't like this. Let's go over here. Gotta squeeze myself out of here. He's telling me to go that way. I guess I'll follow him, but how do I get up there? Oh, I see. I think I have to charge a jump. If I can actually do it. No, I don't want you to do that. Turn around. No. Maybe I go this way. I don't think I can make that jump. Ooh, barely. Okay, cool. We did make it. He wants us to go up, so let's do that. You need some tight jumping here. There's no way. Oh, wait, I'm stupid. Son of a bitch. I don't have time for this. How did he get up there? Did he go through that bottom one? I want to make this jump. I believe I can. No. I don't know. Let's just... I don't want to die again, so let's go this... Hopefully that's a safer route. Alright, cool. Through here. It is not safer. Oh, no, fuck you. Of course he'd be there. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. I don't know where to go. I'll go through this one. Shit, man, I don't know where the next hibernation spot is. Alright. Oh, there it is. How do I get up there? Now, can I hibernate early? I can. Oh, thank goodness. We got a checkpoint. Oh, whoops. Oh, going to sleep anyway. Cool. So we've actually made progress, guys. Thank goodness. Let's go down. Oh. A black cat slug. I think this is where it rained over. Wow, I was that close last time when I died that one time. Grab this. Shit. I think I stunned him, that's all I did. Oh, man. This is rough. Oh, I didn't mean to jump off like that, but... Oh. Man, I suck at the combat. Alright, they can't climb at least, that's good. Let's jump up here. That screen transition's difficult. Yeah, so I can stun them, which is nice. We should do a charge jump. Or not. Oh, I can't go that way. Oh, this is bad. Fight, 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 fight. No! God damn it. God. At least we got a checkpoint. That's all that matters. Get down, back down here. You gonna show me that thing again? Yeah. I wonder what that is. Let's not go that way. Let's go down. Have we been here already? Yeah, we have. Wow, if I would have gone up... Oh, no, you can go up. It's right there if I go up. Let's see. Guess we have to go right. So we'll stick to this path for now. Come here. Oh, you want to be eaten by me? No, no, you fuck. Come here. I got your friend. Oh, I could stand on that. That's cool. Come on. There we go. Whatever. Going through before he comes out. Get out of here. I like the music in this game. Alright. We gotta go. We gotta try and make that jump like we did. Cool. We did it. Well, that doesn't help at all. Come on, bitch. Dumbass. Now, how do I go through this one? Well, at least we can't crash. Oops. How do I make that jump? Go through this one instead. There we go. Then go through here. Cool. Where now? Cool. I wonder if I could do a big jump off of a pole. I don't think so. Oh, I could use the stick. I don't know if I fuck it up. Shit. Yeah, I don't think I could make this jump without that stick that I just threw in the wrong, or at the wrong area. Come on, jump, dude. There we go. Never mind. Get through there. Cool. So now the thing about this is if I make... Oh, shit. I thought that was something I could stand on. Okay, cool. Nope, I'm not screwing with you guys. We're going to try and make a long jump there and see if that works. No, bitch. You really have to be there while I'm trying to do stuff? Being annoying. I can't, he's facing the wrong way. So can I stand on this? I can. Oh, man, I don't know how to make that jump. Ah, this is rough. he'd be able to make that. God, these guys are relentless with their shit. Well, at least we made some progress, so I'm going to go ahead and call that on my beautiful sleeping cat slug. Thank you guys for watching this Let's Play. Again, let me know if you want to keep seeing this game or if you want to see something else. I'm looking for suggestions on future Let's Plays. So if you guys have any ideas, go ahead and leave something in the comments below. If you do like this content, feel free to subscribe. Check out our podcast. And again, thank you for tuning in. You have a good day.